All right, welcome back. We've got Jasmine Kyle from the SEK Humane Society joining us, and we've got a lot to talk about this morning.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and kick it off for like an adoption event that you guys have going on this weekend.
Yeah, so this Saturday we're going to be at PetSense from 11 to 2, and we have some puppies that we will have available for the public during that day. I have an amazing border collie mix. Her name is Patty. The public actually named her a few months ago on the Facebook page when we got her and her younger brother in. She's around 4 months of age. She's a border collie husky mix. She has these giant big old husky ears, and she is gorgeous. We will also have Pablo there. He's an 8-month-old red heeler mix, and it is crazy. I've never seen a heeler like this. Heelers usually have lots of spots of them, but he has hundreds. So think of a newborn baby deer. He just looks exactly like that. Medium size, barely comes up above the knee. So Pablo will be there at the event. And then we have a new puppy that we just intook a few weeks ago, and this will be her debut. Her name is Athena. We've had her for about 4 to 5 weeks, and she is a Great Dane mix. She looks like a little Scooby-Doo. At first we were like, oh, you know, maybe she's a hound or heeler, and then we looked at the paws, and I was like, oh, we have another Great Dane. So we are super excited, but we will have those 3 younger kids at PetSense this Saturday from 11 to 2. And then this Sunday we have a brand new event, which we have never ever done before, and it's a microchip clinic.
That's cool. And back to the puppies real quick. Summer is actually probably a real good time if you're thinking about introducing a puppy to the family because you've got your kids at home more.
Yes.
And they can spend more time getting to know them and learning the chores and like just the bonding time.
Absolutely, especially like you said with your kids being at home, but you're way more active during the spring, summer, and fall time. Fall is a little bit iffy because you've got school and you're getting into those school and school programs, but spring and summer, especially summer, that's a dead go. If you are looking into really adding another family household member, there's a lot more time in the summer to get that bonding experience, especially a lot of outdoor time too. So definitely if you're looking right now, now's the time.
Okay, now back to the microchipping.
Yeah.
This is an event that you have going on Sunday.
Yeah, this Sunday, and we have never done this before. It is a microchip clinic to the public. We're currently selling vouchers at our doggy bag resale shop today, actually. It's from this Tuesday through this Friday. The store is open from 11 to 6. I have 10 more spots left. And it's only $20 as well. I started this program because we gotten so many calls, and what we have seen here recently in just the past 6 months alone is a lot of lost animals, unfortunately. A lot of people losing their dogs due to collars coming off or tags not being put on collars, because when you're at home, a lot of people will take those off, right? They think of them as a decoration, but all it takes, unfortunately, is that back door being left open. Is a guest coming over, is, especially with the 4th of July coming up, one of the most popular and known holidays where animals go missing because of those fireworks. Please, if it's not through us, go through your vet. But why we started the program is the price of microchipping in the Southeast Kansas area varies and is usually on the higher side. So we wanted to make it more available to our community. So we wanted to test the waters to see how our community needs this program. So we limited it to 20 spots. And then right now I still have 10. When you go purchase a voucher for dogs, you have to show us rabies vaccine. That's our only requirement. And we're doing cats too. So cats and dogs. So take advantage of the opportunity. Because again, 1 in 3 pets go missing every single day.
Talk to me about how microchipping works.
Yeah, so if you've never seen a microchip before, think of a grain of rice. It is a little tiny electronic transmitter, and it's loaded up into a needle. It literally only takes 3 seconds. That's it. So with us, for our microchips, our information is always loaded on them. That way, if an animal goes missing, we always get contacted. That's why all of our adoptable animals are already microchipped. But for the public, when you get a microchip done, microchip goes in really quick. You're handed paperwork like you will be this Sunday if you're signed up for this program. You go home. It takes 2 minutes to go to the website and enter your information. And I'm not kidding you. As soon as you hit that enter button, all of your data is transferred to that microchip in 6 seconds.
Wow.
That quick. And it's really quick. So you're talking about a 3-second procedure, 2 minutes of you typing your information in, and that animal is set for life with you. So, and that's what a lot of the public doesn't realize too. For us, for animal control facilities, for other shelter control facilities as well, we always microchip an intake an animal, whether it's somebody surrendering a dog that they've had for a while or a stray that they've picked up. We always microchip scan. I know for a fact that the city of Pittsburgh Animal Control does, Joplin Hugh Animal Control does. A lot of facilities are doing this because we want the animals to go to their homes, right? This is the first thing we check for.
So you guys have a scanner or something that checks for them. Animal Control has that scanner, and then it just pops up information who's the owner, and
it'll actually come up with a barcode ID, and we're able to input that in our computer systems, and it'll pop up with your information. So the only thing that we will say, if you ever move, you need to go onto that website and update your information. But on this, you can enter your phone number, your address, multiple contacts, the whole 9 yards.
That's
and
awesome.
It's that simple. So yes, you can always have collar and tag, but especially for cats who really, if you have a collar and they're indoor outdoor, they really need to be snap away just in case they get caught in something. If that collar is ever lost, you have that backup that's already in them ready to go.
That's awesome. All right, well, there's so much more I want to talk about, especially a big event coming back in October. Looking forward to that. But I'm going to have you stick around for our Fox show and do that a little bit later.
Sounds good.
All right, we'll be right back.